Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the TubeBuddy Demonetization Check that's going to save you time on your videos. Alright guys, so this is a fairly new TubeBuddy feature, and I stumbled upon it and I love it so much, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So you know how sometimes when you do a video, you might get this. This right here, it's kind of like a yellow dollar sign. It says limited or no ads. That basically means that you're not completely approved to be monetized on this video, and it's unlikely that there's going to be ads showing on your video because you've not been approved, like this one right here. This one right here is monetized fully, so people and other advertisers can place ads on this video. This one has a less likely chance and is probably not have ads on it at all. And if you're wondering about this one is a sharing revenue one because Arit is singing a song by Imagine Dragons Believer, so that has a copyright thing on it, but you share revenue with them. So she's still earning some revenue on it, but she shares it with Imagine Dragons. So this is the one that I'm talking about here. And when you receive something like this, you need to request a review. So I'm just going to go into this video right here. And typically in the monetization section, there's usually a button here. I've already requested a review. If you haven't, there's going to be this button here and you need to request a review, and you need to check mark and say that, this video is suitable for people. And someone on the YouTube side is actually going to review your video and, approve or disapprove this. So before the TubeBuddy demonetization check, what I would need to do is go through all my videos and see which ones are limited or no ads. Now, the annoying thing about YouTube is that they don't tell you when it turns orange. So sometimes you'll upload a video and it will be green. And then you go into your dashboard the next day and then you see that it turned yellow, but you didn't know that. Now, this TubeBuddy feature is going to be helpful for you if you have a lot of videos like we do. We have a lot of videos. We have 743 videos. And when this first started happening, I had to go down here and go page by page by page and manually request reviews on the videos that were demonetized, and that was really annoying, but I had to do it because I wanted to make sure that we get the request in and that we get approved for the videos accordingly. So let me show you the TubeBuddy feature right here. This is going to save you a lot of time, and this has saved me a lot of time. So when you've got TubeBuddy, this button is going to show up, and you need to have a certain subscription on TubeBuddy to have this one. We have the Star package at the moment, and you basically want to click on this. And it says here, demonetization double check. Are you missing out on revenue because of demonetized videos that you didn't know about? Now, the thing with YouTube is they don't tell you when they demonetize your videos. They just demonetize them, and then when you go into your pages and into your videos, then you only find out. But if you don't go and check, then you'll never find out. So this actually saves you from having to go back pages and pages if you have a lot of videos. So it says here, let TubeBuddy find them for you. Click start. This is really neat because it's going to scan all of our videos. It's scanning all 743 of our videos. Alright, so the first one here, that one I don't really care about, so I'm going to uncheck that one. So right now it says videos with limited or no ads, 72. And it says here, review requested already, 70. So it found one more that I didn't know about. Now, the other day when I did this, I was already up to date. So again, YouTube demonetized one of our videos without telling us, and now I found out about it here. This video is years old, but it's still getting views, so you want to make sure that you still do this on your videos and submit for manual review so that you don't miss out on any revenue that you should be earning. So After it does its check, I see that I've got one here. This one is a video that was removed. And you just basically want to click for submit for manual review. Click that. And it's going to be processing 1 of 1. When I first did this, I had like maybe 10 or 15 videos that I didn't know about that were demonetized. And it says here, processing complete. We have submitted the selected videos for manual review by YouTube. This saves me a lot of time because this is a really old video. I would have had to go pages and pages deep into our videos to even know that this one was demonetized. But this TubeBuddy feature finds it really easily. So if you are a serious YouTuber, you've got consistent content, lots of videos, this feature will be very helpful for you guys. So when you're done, you just click close. And that is it. That is how you use the TubeBuddy Demonetization Check. Again, it saves you a lot of time. I highly, highly recommend TubeBuddy for anyone who is serious about YouTube and wanting to do YouTube as a career. If you guys are interested in TubeBuddy, you can head down to the description below as I have the links for you guys to check it out. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.